Guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing a makeup look and review for you of Too Faced's Foxy Neutral makeup set. It's one of their exclusive ones from Sephora, if I'm not mistaken. The box itself is super pretty, kind of shimmery, and it comes with the eyeshadow palette, of course, my favorite part of any makeup set. Some very pretty neutral shades. Mostly matte, a couple shimmers, and a nice glittery one in the middle there. If you know me, I don't love neutrals. I mean, I think they're great, and sometimes I wear them, but I like something with a little more color and sparkle. But this is an awesome palette, either way, and there's a lot of fun things you can do with it. The matte shades have a little bit of fallout. It's pretty easy to clean up, though, so there is that, though. The glitter shade is pretty nice. It works best if you use I use my middle finger or ring finger and you tap it on. It also stays good if you dampen your brush with some water, which you'll see in the video. The shimmer shades are pretty nice. I don't really notice any fallout from them. Just a little bit with some of the matte shades, but not like a huge complaint. It's not terrible. It also comes with a blush and highlighter. No contour or bronzer this year. Kind of interesting there. A little disappointed. This is a super pretty highlighter shade. It's not too strong, it's not too intense, it doesn't look extra shiny. It's really pretty natural, neutral. Kind of works with the palette. And it also comes with a little blush. Also a really nice shade. I think it's universally flattering. It's matte. The highlighter is shimmer. And finally, it comes with their newest mascara. Honestly, I never used it before. The formula is a lot thicker than their original mascara that everybody knows, the iconic one. It's a lot thicker, and the brush, it's kind of like I don't know, would you say an hourglass shape? I like it, but I think I like their other mascara better. The brush is so big, it's really hard to get the lower lashes. But it's still really nice. I like it. I just like the other one better. Now that we've done a quick little review, I'm going to do a makeup look for you. I had to do my own voiceover because there's just crazy stuff going on outside, really loud, so I didn't want that to be distracting. So, here is my Too Faced Foxy Neutrals makeup set makeup look. I hope you enjoy it. So I already used a foundation from Almay and a primer from Too Faced on my eyes. Here we have the Too Faced Foxy Neutrals palette. I'm going to take the shade Better Not Pout, and I'm going to sweep that all over the brow bone and then onto the lids just to get a nice base shade, sort of set the canvas for what we're going to do. Then I'm going to take the shade Last Christmas and put it on a crease brush and just brush it through the crease. Put it all the way through. And we're going to take it out just a little bit, just a slight wing out of the crease. Then we're going to take a blending brush, this one is from MAC, and we're going to blend the lines, make them a little less harsh, a little more diffused. And we're going to take the shade Jingle, Jangle, and we're going to put that all over the eyelid. It's a nice matte shade. We're going to take the shade Claus Out, which is a shimmer shade, and we're going to pop that right over our matte lid shade, just to get some extra depth and dimension, and for a little extra shimmer. Then we're going to take the shade Drummer Girl, which is a nice brown shade, and we're going to sort of work that into the outer V of the eye, blending into the crease, sort of creating a wing or a point on the way out. Then we're going to blend those lines too. We don't want them to be too harsh. We want them to seamlessly blend into the crease shade and the lid shade. Then we're going to take Lady Bells, that shimmery glitter shade right there, and I'm going to sort of line it through my crease because I can't just go with matte, I need a little bit of shimmer. And at some point here I realized that in order to get the strongest glitter shade, I'm going to need to dampen the brush that I'm using. Right there, so spritz of water on the brush, dip it in the glitter shadow, and we're getting a much more effective glitter line. Much stronger. We're going to wing it out just a tad. The hardest part with the second eye is putting it in the same spot in the crease because everyone's eye shape is slightly different than the other. If we were perfectly symmetrical, both of our eyes, we would actually look quite strange. So I always keep referring back to the first eye so I can try and get the crease line in the same place. Then we're going to take Cookie Butter, another shimmer shade, and run that right in the inner corners of the eyes for an extra bit of brightness and shimmer. Next we have Lump of Coal, that matte black shade right there, and we're going to use it as an eyeliner. Run it just along the lash line. Not too thick of an eyeliner because we've already got a bit going on with the glitter, but just enough to define the lashes. And then wing it out just slightly. Back in with the shade Drummer Girl, that matte brown shade, and we're going to run it along the lower lash line. I already used a black eyeliner in the waterline, I just forgot to record that part, but you can use any black eyeliner. Mine was from Sally Beauty. Then we're going to take Too Faced Latest Mascara, and we're just going to put that on the top and bottom lashes. It's quite a thick formula, so it requires a little bit of work, maybe even a mascara brush, but it's still pretty nice. I don't mind it. Then my newest concealer obsession is Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It's fantastic. I'm going to do a separate review. Oddly, there's no contour shade in this set, so I used one that I had from NYX. And I sort of run that under my cheekbone. Everybody likes to contour differently. I try and start, as a starting point, that little, I don't know how to describe, that little nub near on our ears. I try to go down from there and sort of wrap it around under my cheekbone, but it depends what you're going for with your contour. It's just what I like to do. They do have a lovely highlighter shade, Frostbite. Now I'm going to hit the high points, tops of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, forehead. Then this blush here for the hose. It's a matte blush. Just pop that and sort of blend everything together. A lot of people like the blush on the apples of their cheeks, which is fine. I like to use it to bring the contour, the highlight, and the blush all together. Then I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation, just to give the contour a little bit of a strength. So it's lighter below the contour. And there's no lipstick in this set either, weird. So I use this one from GG Gorgeous. And I just run it along my lips just to get a nice shimmery shade. Nothing too strong because this is a more neutral look. Well, it's more neutral for me. And there we have it. The finished Too Faced Foxy Neutrals palettes. I'm such a dork. You can see that I couldn't go without the glitter. I couldn't resist it. Couldn't be totally matte. I think it's a pretty fun palette. There's a lot you can do with it. And here we have it. So thank you for watching. Check out the blog for more info. I will put swatches there as well. And stay tuned for my next makeup review and look of the counterpart to the Foxy Neutrals palette, the Unbearably Glam palette. And I will see you next time.